Phone. I don't know what is this. Bread. No, it's not. You're not okay. Get out. Get out. Hello, baby. Baby, where have you been? I hope you know that today is my birthday. Okay. I'm waiting. Thank you so much.
Hey! I get me to meet Bami. Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Baby, take now. It's your birthday.
I don't understand. What is this?
Babe, this is a gift.
This little thing.
Hey! Don't mind the way it's little, but
Yabu, in the same Maya. In the good Maya. You will tell me this rubbish.
you try.
Instead of you will go to cake. Or this thing. I'm a man or cut on the name.
Nigeria is for me.
Already the Nigeria.
My mother can take this thing and enjoy yourself.
You are not okay. Get out. Baby, thank you.
They never show you a gift.
Wow, thank you. You bought me a cake.
Yeah.
Earlier we realized you bought me a cake.
Every one of you realized
thank you.
Once again. That Nigeria is not for us.
What is going on? Why are you so excited like this? I don't understand.
Sister, you don't understand. My boyfriend bought me a gift.
Wow, that's amazing. I'm so happy for you, my dear.
Thank you.
Oh, bros.
Jesus is Lord.
Wow, you look so beautiful. Thank you. I bought a gift for your sister, but like she's not interested. Can you manage it?
Wow.
Oh my God.
I get me to meet Bami.
My phone. Wow.
No.
I will shake. Okay.
Charlie boy, now I'm mumu too much. You be mumu.
Thank you.
Jesus is Lord.
I don't understand. What is this?
God have mercy upon us.
No, this is not ordinary bread. This is bread from the United States.
Oh, God.
Where to go?
You are very stupid.
You get it?
Okay.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
You are very stupid. You are not okay. Get out. Get out. What is that one different? Yes.
I'm a too much can share what thing. Bambo follow me because you and my bambo make you happy. Make his enemy happy. Follow them. You follow me now, share and comment. May God bless you.